Hello everyone, Larry here. Another video with some of the new features that we have rolled out to our current customers. If you need to reach me for any reason, you have questions, love to just chat, talk about what you're doing, you can reach me at larry@repwatermanagement.com. Today's video, we're talking about three things: part numbers, tracking those, integration with manufacturers, and a faster quote builder. So this video has actually got some great time savings in it. First, you go to your products, and we'll just grab a product here. It's just test data, but we now track part number here, and we also track part number here. So if you want to track those part numbers, you can, and this is really the first step in our progression towards integrating into inventory systems and manufacturer systems. So speaking of manufacturer systems, let me just drag this in so you can see it. But we've got a format here. This is an actual output from a manufacturer's configurator. And we can pull this directly in just a couple of clicks. So all of this content, you don't have to type if you're using ROM, right? We can just pull this right in, and then all you have to do is put your pricing on it and you're ready to go. So this is something I'd love to show you, talk to you more about. So please reach out, but I just want to make sure you know that we can take data directly out of configurators and upload it into our system in just a couple of clicks. And what's coming for that is that's going to be real time very soon as we work with more and more manufacturers. And then last but not least, a faster quote builder. So everything you see comes from our customers. I'm going to jump over to the quote builder, all these features, but now you have the ability in our quote builder to actually set quantity, by multipliers, your markup or your cost margin. You can set all these for the entire quote group. So this is really a time saver, because if you've got a bunch of lines you've inserted into a quote and you want to assign a markup factor of 1.1 to them, or a cost margin where you're looking for a 25% profit, you can now just do that here and it will update all of those lines in the quote builder in a second, right? So then you're not really spending time, manipulating data. You're spending time getting your quote just right and winning the work. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate. Reach out, Larry@repwatermanagement.com, and thanks for your time.